Let's make some sweet and sour chicken tenders using all Aldi ingredients. First, we're going to grab the honey battered breast tenders. For my family of 6, I ended up using 2 bags. Grabbing the sweet and sour stir fry sauce. I grabbed 2, but I only used 1. So here we go. That's all we need. 2 ingredients. That's it. And an air fryer. You can also bake them in the oven. I just happen to like it in the air fryer. I want that perfection of crispiness. So here we go. Got it into my Ninja air fryer. That's after about 10 minutes. These are already starting to get a nice golden color to them. Just moving them about because I dumped both bags in there. I'm a family of 6 cooker. We got to get it done. So I put them all in there. Just turned them about. It took a little over 20 minutes or so to get them to the perfect color. And now I am just adding on the sweet and sour sauce. It is that simple and that delicious. Here's some really great $5 or under side suggestions. The chicken fried rice, the lo mein, their pork and chicken egg rolls in the fridge department area are delicious. They also have a frozen version. All of them, the pork soup dumplings, all great ideas to have as a side. So super inexpensive, easy dinner for the family. I hope you love it. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it. Have an amazing week.